So here is another question that I have brought for you. This is a question of an inequality. So in this question, you can see it's a greater than 1, b greater than 1. Then we have to show a plus 1 into b plus 1 is greater than 2, ab plus 1. So to prove it, I will take the help of this one. Actually, all the inequalities problem can be solved by using two methods. One is subtraction method and another one is we have to choose proper identity. We have to choose proper identity, proper relations, and then we have to proceed. So here I'll do from taking these two. I'll show this taking a greater than and 1 and b greater than 1. Let's see how. Since it's given a is greater than 1, that means a minus 1 is greater than 0 and b greater than 1 imply b minus 1 is greater than 0. So if we multiply these two, so as this is positive number and this is positive number and product of two positive number is always positive, therefore a minus 1 b minus 1 is greater than 0. Very simple. Okay, now let's multiply this ab minus a minus b plus 1. So we have to keep, while solving this, we have to keep our eye on this proof also. You write here and keep your eye here. What to prove, that one you see, and you subtract or add whatever you want to do, but we have to get a plus 1 and b plus 1, and that's all. So here it's 2ab and here it's ab. What I'll do, I'll just add here ab. Here this is ab and here 2ab, so plus ab. Yes, I want this this is minus a, but here it is plus a. So I will multiply with minus ab plus a plus b minus 1 less than equal to 0. On multiplication by negative numbers, this sign of inequality get changed. Now I will add 2ab on both the side. If I add 2ab on both the side, here I have added 2ab, this is minus ab, this is plus a plus b, and this minus 1 I'll take that side. It will become 1 and also it is 2ab. See here, it is 1 and I want here 2. As well as here you see 2ab minus ab is ab plus a plus b. Again we can add 1 to both sides. Yes. Here I can take a common, b plus 1. Here plus 1 is common, b plus 1 less than. Here 2 is common, ab plus 1. A plus 1, b plus 1 less than 2, ab plus 1. So students, you can see I have got here one relation. So in this relation, a plus 1 b plus 1 is less than equal to 2 ab plus 1, but somewhere I got this question, and in this question this symbol greater than is given. So as per I have proved, and we have seen that it should be less than, not greater than. So we will correct it. Okay, so let's correct it. We will cancel this and we will write here less than. So the correct question is it should be less than. So students, this is another questions of inequality. In this question we have to prove a plus b, b plus c, c plus a is greater than or equal to 8 abc. Given here abc is real number, and as we know that square of any number is non-negative. That means square of any number is always positive. So let us take one relation here. we know that is greater than or equal to 0. So a square plus b square minus twice ab is greater than or equal to 0. So here I used the identity a minus b whole square, which is a square plus b square minus 2ab, as well as root a square means a. So here you can see that a minus b whole square, I wrote this one a square plus b square minus twice ab, and root a square is a, so I have written. So here it is a plus b minus 2 root ab is greater than or equal to 0. So this gives a plus b is greater than or equal to 2 root ab. Now you see, taking root a minus root b whole square as one relations, here we got a plus b is greater than or equal to 2 root ab. So similarly we can get b plus c. Similarly, b plus c is greater than or equal to 2 root bc, let it be 2, and c plus a is greater than or equal to 2 root ca, equation number 3. Now on multiplying these three, applying 1, 2 and 3, we get what we get. You see this this is a plus b, and this one is b plus c, this is c plus a. On multiplications, here it is 2ab, 2 root ab, 2 is 4, 2 is 8, directly I am writing. Now here it is root ab, root bc, root ca. You can see here 8. How it came? I multiply this 2 of equation 1, this 2 of equation 2, this 2 of equation 3. Now here root a into root b into root c means root abc square. Also just we can see here this root a and root a into root a is a, root b into root b is b, root c into root c is c. So this way we have proved.